Dr. Jaffe, what are the best supplements for arthritis?
Well, I'm going to specifically talk about osteoarthritis, what's called bone-on-bone arthritis, a pain in your joints arthritis. Bioavailable glucosamine, glucosamine sulfate, and soluble chondroitin are a powerful combination to help regrow the water absorbing, shock absorbing cartilage that has atrophied, has not been repaired if you have osteoarthritis. When you combine this joint rebuilding formula with Repair Guard, our quercetin dihydrate and soluble OPC combination of flavonoids and flavonols, polyphenolics that are safer and more bioavailable and more effective. And then balance out metabolic acidosis risk by checking your morning urine after rest and adjusting the number of doses of magnesium and choline citrate you take through the day. This combination of magnesium and choline citrate triples the uptake of magnesium. People with osteoarthritis have a lack of repair and may be exposed to too many anti-nutrients, which you can, if you follow our suggestions, dramatically reduce. Probably 80% of these harmful anti-nutrient pro-oxidative chemicals and preservatives can be avoided. And you can increase your intake of antioxidants and pro-repair vitamins and minerals and essential distilled under nitrogen EPA, DHA, omega-3 fat, beneficial fat to balance out the omega-6 that promotes osteoarthritis. Magnesium deficiency and metabolic acidosis promote osteoarthritis, and having adequate magnesium as reflected in your morning urine pH or your pH after rest reflects if you have enough magnesium, osteoarthritis is reduced and may go away. My dad had osteoarthritis in both knees. We did an even more intensive supplementation program than daily because my dad took lots of supplements, but no prescriptions, even at 90. And most importantly, we used a green dichromatic light, a PAR 38 150 watt green dichro light on his knees. And he took Repair Guard and this Joint Guard combination, and he felt like dancing. He not only did the pain go away, he felt like dancing. So my suggestions are to promote repair and reduce oxidative distress. I'm Dr. Jaffe on behalf of Nature's Alkaline Way and Nature's Pharmacy, and I want you to either reverse or avoid osteoarthritis.